Hi everyone, this is Shashank Singh and we are in the way of learning Python programming language. In this video we are going to discuss about factorial. We will see how can we write a Python program to calculate factorial of a number entered by the end user, right? So before that, let me explain what is factorial is all about. So basically if you want to calculate factorial of a number, what you need to do here is you need to keep on multiplying till 1. What does it mean? So let's say if you want to calculate for 4, right, you need to find factorial for 4. So what you need to do, 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, right? If you want to calculate factorial for 7, so 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, right? And factorial is equal to n into n minus 1 n minus 2 till 1, right? So let's directly head over to the Jupyter notebook to see how can we write Python program for the same. So very first thing what we need to do here is we need to take input from end user, right? For that I'm taking num variable to store that input, and then I want integer type input, and I'm using a built-in function input which is responsible to take user input and then enter the number for which you wanna calculate factorial, whatever you can write, right? Now I am creating a function using def keyword and I'm keeping the function name as find fact or factorial, whatever, and I'm passing this num as a parameter. And now we need to write the logic. So before that, let me write it. So let's say if we want to calculate factorial, so 4 factorial is equal to 4 into 3 into 2 1, right? So basically this is num, right? So let's say end user has entered 4, so 4 will be stored in this num, and then we are passing this num in this function, and then we will write logic, right? So for writing logic, we need to find factorial of 4, so we need to store this 24 and print this, right? For that I am taking a variable result and I'm initializing with 1 initially. I'll let you know why I'm initializing it. So before that, let me write a for loop for I in range. So I need to start from 1 to num plus 1. Why I'm writing num plus 1? Because range function will by default range function will exclude the last number, right? So let's say if you need to go to till 4, right? So if you are writing 4 here, so it will take up to 3 only, right? By default range function will exclude the last value. So you need to write 5, then only you can it will take up to 1 to 4. So that's the reason why I am writing num plus 1, right? It will take up to num. And then what I am doing here is I am writing result is equal to result into I. Yeah, so what this will do is I'll write it down for your understanding. Yeah, so at I is equal to 1, result is equal to result, right? So what is it? Result is holding initially 1, right? So 1 into 1 is equal to 1, right? So now at I is equal to 1, result have the value as 1, right? And same thing I am copy pasting 4 times because this loop will run till 4 times because we are considering num is 4 here, right? So at I is equal to 1, I is equal to 2, I is equal to 3, and then I is equal to 4, and here also this is I is equal to 2, I is equal to 3, and I is equal to 4. So now at I is equal to 1, result is equal to 1, right? At I is equal to 2, result was holding 1, so 1 into 2 is equal to 2, right? Now result is holding 2, so we will write 2 here for result. 2 into 3 is equal to 6. Now result is holding 6, so we'll put 6 here. 6 into 4 is equal to 24, right? At I is equal to 4, 6 into 4 is equal to 24. So at the end, result have the actual result which we want to calculate. So I am printing the result, right? So if you are running the code, so let's say 4, so it's not okay, I have not called this function, so let me call this function. Post calling this function, it will ask enter the number for which you want to calculate the factorial, and then 24 you are getting. So let me format it. Factorial of is, and then dot format, and then this. Let me call this function again. Let's say 4, so factorial of 4 is 24, factorial of 7 is 5040, factorial of 8 is 40320, right? So this is how basically you can calculate the factorial. 3 into 2 into 1 is equal to 6, so 4 into 3, 12 into 2 is equal to 24, right? So basically this is how you can write the logic to calculate factorial. It's pretty simple. You can try to understand. You can pause this video if you have any issue in understanding. Thanks for watching this video. I'll come back with the next video very soon.